Breaking news coming in. Prime Minister to interact with state and district officials across the country on COVID management in just about a short while from now. What we're picking up is DMs from 10 states are going to be interacting with him on COVID surge and widespread infections. So the DMs are going to be the crucial ones from 10 states who are going to be interacting with the Prime Minister. They are going to be bringing him up to speed as far as the COVID surge is concerned and the widespread infections. Pallavi Saha now joins us with the breaking story. At the moment, Pallavi, breaking news coming in. DMs from 10 states are going to be interacting with the Prime Minister in just about a short while from now. What all is on the agenda on the war footing?
Well, basically, as we know, the DMs, the district magistrates, are basically the field officers who are actually on the ground, who are monitoring the spread of the infection in their various districts, and of course, looking after overseeing the entire management of COVID-19, the infection on the ground as well. So the Prime Minister, in two batches, will be interacting over today and on the 20th of May with DMs of various states. Today, he has interactions with DMs of at least 10 states who he will be interacting with, which this includes Bihar, Assam, Delhi, Goa, Karnataka, MP. These are some of the states, Uttarakhand. These are some of the states from where the DMs will be on this video conference with the Prime Minister in order to apprise him about the developments on the ground, how they are controlling the spread of the infection on the ground, and what kind of shortfalls there are in terms of COVID management and the spread of the infection. Like I said, this will happen in two batches. There will be another meeting on the 20th of May as well, Chati.
Pallavi, thanks for bringing our viewers up to speed with the very latest details. Continue to stay with us. We'll keep coming back to you to get us an update in terms of what transpires in the meeting. In the meanwhile, let's get you what the Health Ministry has released at the moment as far as